Hey guys, Fireside Coffee here. A little bit late on this one, so here we go with the August BudK SHTF Mystery Gear Surprise Box. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. A little bit late on this one. Some little things got in the way, like shoulder replacement surgery. So I am here a little bit late to do the August unboxing. Without further ado, we're going to make this a very quick video. Get this done and over with so I can cut the box. And we'll see what we got for August. Okay, we got the card. And what we have in the primary box, which I pay $19.99 a month for, is a 3-pack LED. You know what? Let's keep it a surprise. Let's look at what we got, and I'll give you the values. They are saying that the August retail value is $72.94. So we'll see if we got about 73 bucks worth of items here. Like I said, I pay $19.99. So, just going to go in random, blind. First item out of the box is, looks like a bolt. Some kind of bolt. Okay. Is this for like my truck hitch, or what is this for? I know what this is. This would be one of those secret survival caches. Like you could hide stuff in there. You could roll up some money. You could put pills in there. You know, multiple things, I guess. Kind of neat. Something different. Sorry. Try to keep this in camera. Sorry about that. I keep watching what I'm doing over the camera. Meanwhile, you guys can't see what the hell I'm doing. So, it's metal. It's cool, I guess. Let's see what kind of value they're giving that. Hidden Spy Bolt Safe. Ooh. $9.99. 10 bucks. I don't know about that. But, let's see if I can give you the BudK number here. I don't know if it will focus. BK 4536, and as always, made in China. Next up, focus, come on, focus. There we go. Is a D-ring carabiner with compass. I've come to find that these little compasses usually are fairly accurate. Now I know when you're lost in the woods, that's not much comfort knowing it's fairly accurate, but they're not too bad normally. So let's see what we got. I have to orient myself here. I'm in the camper, so let me see what we got here. Yeah, I guess that's north. North would be heading that way, so that's about right. So, aluminum carabiner and a water bottle. Let me get a bottle of water. See how this works. Bear with me, guys. So I'm assuming what you can do is clip this on your pack, on your belt, loop, whatever. And there you go. It's not going to come out of there. That's actually a pretty neat idea. I probably will use that. I like that. Pretty cool. Alright, so see if I got a BK number. Ooh, I got a CK number. Must be a China thing. Come on, focus. Focus. Don't want to focus. CK. All right, I'll just read it to you. CK0395. Handcrafted in China. So there you go. BudK, they give that a value of bug out water bottle holder with compass, $5.99. Compass. That's a compass, folks. Next up is 3-pack LED flashlights. Okay. I always think there's always a use for flashlights. I'm never disappointed to get flashlights. So, yeah. Obviously, they're not going to come with batteries. Oh, it does. It just had a little piece of paper in there. Well, that's good. Good for you, BudK. Putting batteries right in there. Ooh, that thing is pretty bright. Is that an adjustable beam? Nope. Off and on. Pretty cool. That's actually pretty bright. I like that. Like I said, kudos. Good for you, BudK. Actually putting batteries in a flashlight, because some people will take this stuff and look at their beginner, first aid, all their stuff together, throw in a bug out bag, and not realize that they don't have flashlights. That is not a bug. That is black magic marker. Okay. Anyway, pretty cool. We got a 3-pack of them. They are aluminum. Got a rubber band type thing on there. Pretty cool. I like them. And we have a CK number of CK0431. They're giving that a value of 3-pack LED zipper pull flashlights, $11.99. Yeah. Do I think they're worth $4 a piece? Maybe not 4. $2.50? Yeah. We won't get technical though. Okay, next item is a Trailblazer Spork multi-tool. Give you an item number right away of CK. Wow, I'm really having focus issues. Come on. CK0444. It says it has, let's just open it up here. Just get her open, get her done. See what we got. Okay, it is metal with a plastic carabiner. It says that it is has a 10 millimeter, 8 millimeter, and 6 millimeter metric wrenches, which would be right here. Spoon and a fork. If I can keep everything in camera here. A bottle opener. Thank goodness. Because you know what? We don't have enough tools or flashlights or knives that have bottle openers on them. Or seatbelt cutters. So, awesome. I always need 57 bottle openers in my bug out bag. Sorry. It's just a pet peeve of mine. I am so sick and tired of everything having a bottle opener on it. It's ridiculous. How many bottles am I carrying into the woods anyway? I'll give you a hint. None. Screwdriver pry tip. Which, I'm assuming, like, keep it in camera. Come on, Fireside. Put her in camera. Which is that there? Not bad. It's metal. I don't know if it's titanium. Feels a little heavy for titanium, but feels like it's pretty decent quality. And the camping multi-tool Spork. They're giving a value of $14.99. That might be a little crazy. But, moving on. Of course, we got an SHTF patch. Okay. I'm digging, folks. I'm digging. It looks like there's 2 more items left. Yeah. Okay, so here we have a Wise Company cheesy lasagna with sausage. Actually, it looks pretty good. I've never tried the Wise Foods brand. I have tried the Mountain House, a few different types, and I do really like the Mountain House. A little bit salty, but I heard that most of these are fairly salty. I do like the Mountain House. We'll give this a try. It says 2 servings. Oh, I just thought of something as I knocked my bottle over. Hold on. I didn't give you guys the number. Oh, I did, yeah. CK0444. Alright. We'll edit that out, maybe. Alright, so you get 2 servings. 15 grams of protein per serving. Made in the USA. Eaten pouch, just add hot water. Same thing as a Mountain House. 2 cups of water. Add the pouch. Stir, close zipper. Let stand 12 to 15 minutes. Use caution when opening pouch. Stir and enjoy. And it looks like it's good till... Man, the focus on this camera is horrible. 4/23/2019. Wait. Oh, made. Oh, thank God. I was like, they're sending me expired stuff. Alright, so that says made. Right? I'm seeing that right. 1 made. 04/23/2019. I think these are good for 5 years. I'll have to do some research on that, but I think these are 5 years. I really don't like that they give you a made or manufactured date and not a not an expiration date. You shouldn't have to sit there and try to figure out. You should just have a date on there, what it is, and that's that. But I digress. Okay. Last item. The Bushmaster Survival Fixed Blade. What is it? It's a knife. What BudK is known for. Knives and swords. Item number BK4655. Handcrafted in China. Okay, let's check this out. Of course, ends are taped. I'm not feeling I'm not going to be happy with this. I'm not really too keen on their survival knives. Okay, first off, we got a plastic wrapper. Yay. We have a do not eat thing. And we have, what does this say? Micro pack LDPE recyclable. Okay. So they put in this piece of plastic to say that it's recyclable. Recyclable. So why even put that in? Save on the recycling. Okay. Wow. A little bit of toot I have today, huh? Sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on. Anyway. There we go. Bushmaster. Ooh, ha 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 ha. Cool. Okay, as usual, Velcro. Yay. Plastic sheath. Here you got your belt holder, your belt loop. And you ready? Ooh, look at that. I hate this stuff. I am never going to use that. First of all, the teeth are all going one way, so how are you going to saw anything with that? It's not going to be the best. They should be... Sorry about that, guys. I got a phone call. They should be opposing. So, let's see. Bushmaster. If it will focus. Alright, I'm giving up on the focus today. Let me just read it to you. Bushmaster Ultimate Survival. So... Whoa, is that dull? Oh, good Lord, are you kidding me? Guys, that is horrible. I know this isn't paper, it's cardboard, but... Well, maybe it's a little better than I thought. It just doesn't feel... that sharp. So there you go. Plastic handle. It actually feels pretty good in my hand. Feels pretty solid, pretty nice. Nope, that doesn't. Thought maybe that screwed off to put like fish hooks and a paper clip in there. People kill me. Alright, so there you go. So there's your BudK stuff. Oh, I haven't been giving you, as I cut up the card, I guess I should give you the retail values. Alright, so we did the flashlights. The Bushmaster fixed. I'm trying to rush this video because they're getting too long, and I know people don't want to sit there and watch them. So anyway, Bushmaster fixed blade knife and sheath, $19.99. Bug out water bottle holder compass, we did $5.99. Spy bolt multi-tool. Okay, so the Wise Foods, $9.99. So not bad. If you would have spent $49.99, so for another $30, you would have gotten, damn focus. You would have gotten everything in the primary box, plus a Trailblazer camping sink, flexible camping sink, and adjustable multi-tool with flashlight. If you would have spent $89.99 a month, you would have gotten everything in the primary, the pro, plus an M48 Ops seat back gun rack. Oh, that's kind of cool. I'll have to look that up on BudK's website, see what that is. And an intense ultralight camping cot. So they're telling you right there that the value of those two items alone would be, well, they're saying the total value is $207.90, but those two items alone, according to them, their retail price would be more than your $89.99 a month. Plus, you would get all this other stuff. So, not bad. All right, guys, there we go. Sorry for some of the blunders and bloopers and just trying to make it quick. And today is September the 9th, so I'll actually have another BudK unboxing for you in about a week and a half to 2 weeks. I'll be getting the September box. I'll try and get that one out ASAP as soon as I get it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. As always, I appreciate the views, comments, likes. Take care. And God bless.